guys, today is Friday and I am at work right now. We have a new driver because our old driver quit. So I am training again a new driver. This time is a girl. Her name is Lexi, and right now I'm just tagging along. But other than that, I'm sorry that I have been vlogging lately because I've been really busy. I'll explain to you guys a little later what I've been up to. But yeah, I wanted to say hi to you guys for now, and I'll see you guys a little later, maybe on my lunch hour. So I'll see you guys a little later. We just put it right there. Good morning guys, today is Saturday and I am making my breakfast. I'm just making me 1 egg white, and I am using this light 100 calorie multi-grain muffins. I don't know if you can see those. I'm using those, and I'm also going to make me some sausage, premium sausage. I don't know, I've been into egg and sausage McMuffins lately. I don't know why. So I'm just toasting the little muffin, and my egg is ready right here. Go ahead and fold it, put it in the bread. And I totally forgot that I had sausage. That's why I am making the sausage last. I totally forgot that I had some. So I know that I haven't vlogged in a while, and I have a really good reason for it, but I really don't want to talk about it. Unfortunately, some of you already know, and some of you probably don't even have a clue, but I had a loss in my family, and it was someone really close to me. We didn't live together or anything, but I was very close to her. But yeah, so I had a loss in my family, and I really wasn't motivated or really didn't want to vlog or talk about it until I kind of healed a little bit better. So I do apologize for not being able to vlog, but right now I'm feeling a little better, and I am feeling a little bit more motivated to vlog. Today we have a busy day. Right now I'm just making myself some breakfast, and later on we're going to go to Hobby Lobby because I want some sort of an organizational tier container or something to hold like my makeup in my bathroom, because I do my makeup first thing in the morning in my bathroom, and then I leave a mess. So every single day I pretty much have to clean that up after work, or if I don't have time right before I leave to work. So yeah, I want something to organize my makeup in my bathroom. And then later on we have a family gathering, so we'll be going to that, and that's it, I believe. But I'm gonna try to vlog. Hopefully it's fun or interesting. If it's not, I won't vlog it, but if it is, I will bring my camera and I'll try to vlog it, so you guys get to know my husband's side of the family a little bit more. So yeah, those are the plans for today, Saturday. Right now hubby is scraping off the snow because we had a snow night last night. Let me show you guys the snow. It was quite a bit. So let me show you guys. Do 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 do. So that was hubby shoveling the snow in our driveway. And yeah, right now I'll show you guys when I'm done doing my breakfast. I don't know why it's so white, but whatever, I'm not complaining because my face looks disgusting right now because I don't have any makeup. So I think I just burned the sausage by going outside and filming for a little bit. Better burned than raw, right? So whatever. Now I'm also going to put avocado. Yum. So I have half an avocado here. I love avocado. If I could eat avocado every day, I would. But unfortunately, they are not good year-round here in Colorado. I'm surprised that this one is actually pretty good due to the fact that it's winter time. But yeah, I love avocados. And I'm still trying to do like the keto diet. I haven't done it in quite a bit, like I don't know, since I went to Mexico and I ate a lot of bread over there. It was so delicious, I mean. But I haven't been doing my keto diet since the year started, pretty much, I think. But I want to get back on it because it was working wonderfully for my skin. Now I have a few breakouts. It's always around my mouth or on my cheeks, or like right now on my forehead. I have a huge one right here. Can't really tell because my bangs cover it, which is why I wear bangs. But yeah. So here's my little sausage that I burned. Whoopsies. And here is my egg white sausage and avocado muffin. And the egg white, I cook it in avocado oil. And I sprinkle nutritional yeast, paprika, turmeric, and garlic salt. I don't know why, but I like that combination, and it always turns out like this. It has like a reddish tint from the paprika and the turmeric and all that stuff. But I don't know, I just like the flavor that it gives it. I don't think it tastes any different if I didn't put anything on it. But I just don't like plain egg whites. They just don't taste like anything to me. So this is my breakfast. This is pretty good. Right now, I'm also cleaning upstairs because I haven't had a chance to clean like thoroughly upstairs, every single room and the bathrooms upstairs. I did a house cleaning downstairs only because that's all I filmed that day, and then it was too late to film the top side of my house, the upstairs of my house. Sorry, I can't English today. Sometimes I have a hard time finding words in English, so let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see more Spanish vlogs or more Spanish, me speaking Spanish, because I would love to have those kinds of vlogs as memories as well. But I don't know if you guys would prefer those, or if you would just prefer for me to be speaking English, even though it's all jacked up. But I try, you know. Having two languages is not that easy. It's not as easy as it looks. So I Spanglish a lot. I don't know if people hate that, but I do it all the time. So right now I'm just going to eat my breakfast. I'm probably just going to drink my BCAAs right here. I'm just drinking BCAAs because I've been working out a little bit at night. I mean, nothing drastic. My abs are a little bit sore, and that's it. My abs are sore. I work out my legs a lot because they're very, very flimsy and very, very wobbly, and I hate that. I just want to have firm legs. When I walk, I don't like it when it wobbles, you know, or when it... I don't know if I'm making any sense, but yeah, I like firm legs and firm abs. So I'm working on it. It's a work in progress. So I'm going to eat this and then I'll see you guys a little later. Hi guys, so we got ready and we're gonna go...
I'm looking at you, looking at me.
I know. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby just for a quick little shopping. See if I can find what I told you guys. So I'll see you guys at Hobby Lobby. This is the little container that I ended up buying at Hobby Lobby. I think that it suits my bathroom really well. See right here, I just have all of my essential oils. Excuse the dogs outside. My neighbor has dogs. And then right here, I have my makeup and my 2 palettes that I use to do my makeup every day, and my Morphe. And over here is my brushes and mascara. So this is how I ended up organizing it. I love it, by the way. Now I'm just going to do a coconut oil hair mask, and then I will be cleaning. So I will be showing you that on this video. So I will be using castor oil on my roots, coconut oil on the ends, And that is it. I don't know why I look so red. Adjust, please, adjust. That is it. So now it is 10:46. So it is 10:46. Right now I'm just going to clean the whole entire house, starting with the upstairs of my house, because you guys have already seen the downstairs. And let's get started. Whenever I'm done, I'm gonna put some coconut oil on my eyelashes. I'm just putting the rest of the coconut oil on my eyelashes and my eyebrows. So right now I'm just going to start cleaning, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done, what time it is, see how long I'm gonna leave this mask in my hair, and let's get started.